Hello my friends, welcome to Joey's Tech. In this video I will show you how to turn on or off firewall on MacBook. Think of a firewall as a security guard for your MacBook. Every day your Mac connects with other devices over the internet and local networks. A firewall monitors incoming network connections and helps block unauthorized access to your MacBook. It's an extra layer of security that is worth keeping enabled. And here is how to open it. Click on this Apple icon in the top left corner of the screen and then click on System Settings. In the sidebar, click on Network and then click on Firewall. If it is turned off, then simply toggle it on. If it is already turned on, then you can toggle it off the same way. Depending on your settings, your Mac OS may ask you to authenticate using your password or Touch ID. That's all it takes to turn on a firewall on Mac. If you click on Options, you will find a few additional settings. For example, you can allow or block specific applications from accepting incoming connections. Unless you have a specific reason to change these settings, the default configuration is a good choice for most users. And that's it. Mac Firewall is so easy to enable. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel Joey's Tech for more such MacBook tips and tricks.